Hello everyone! You asked to show you more of a real working process. We're making a lace dress with silk lining. I've decided to show you some interesting details. I'm not going to show you the whole sewing process. I've already showed you how to work with lace, so you know some techniques. Today I just decided to show you some real working moments. We're making a straight knee-level dress. I'll show you the fabric we're making the dress of. It will fit the body perfectly. The body is pretty regular. Svetlana will help me today. But we'll show you how to attach a silk lining to lace. Have a look at the back. It consists of the two details. I put the front aside for now. Have a look at this detail. It's ready. We tack the lace with embroidery to the silk lining. Notice that there's no lining in this part. We also need to make a tack here. We'll show you how to do it. The thing is that before tacking lace to lining, you should overcast lining. We did it. To make an item of a good quality, you need to work accurately. Now Svetlana will tack the lace to the lining. Then she'll make a spacing seam on the center tack, and only after that she'll tack it. We show you a lot of sewing techniques we create in my fashion house. Sometimes it takes us very long to come up with some techniques which we show you for free. I believe you to be very lucky, guys. Before tacking, Svetlana pins the two fabrics to each other. The most important thing is that the bottom and both details should be ready before you start tacking. You need to tack the details very carefully, so that they don't move when you're stitching. You also shouldn't stretch or gather fabric. We'll make the two sides even before stitching, so that we can edge them with just one seam. Svetlana will tack the whole detail this way. We made a spacing seam on a center tack. We needed to do it for the lace to stick close to silk. Now Svetlana will show you how to tack a tack. Don't try taking a tack without a spacing seam. This is how you should tack tacks. Today we just show you some parts of our real working process. I hope that you'll find them useful. Have a look at the tack from the right side. If there was no spacing seam, lace wouldn't fit silk that good. This is the front detail. We made a spacing seam in the waist tack too. This is the chest dart. The dress is already altered after a fitting. Now Svetlana will show you how to tack a chest dart. First we need to cut the extra fabric, leaving just 1 cm for a seam. Sewing techniques are different for each design and each fabric. This is the best way to tack darts in this case. Now we can start tacking. By the time we show you a review of the finished item, you will know how the dress was made. Very nice. When we tack the darts, we'll stitch them. After that, we'll remove the tacking and then edge seams with net or chiffon. Today we've showed you a very useful technique. Now you know how to attach lace to silk and how to tack darts and tacks in this case. You also know that before doing this, you need to edge the bottoms of the two fabrics. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We'll try to show you more of a real working process. We're Irina and Svetlana. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.